Hello, drawers. Now we're going to see how to apply the scale. Humans. In a perspective. The human figure, at what level it goes in perspective 1 or 2 vanishing points, not always on the line of the horizon. They're going to fall, or it is going to be at the height of the eyes of our figure that we are drawing. In this case, we're going to do solely sketch. We're not going to go into details, but the exercise is for you to see how all these human figures, or human scales, the eyes are on the line of the horizon. What grows or decreases downwards? The line of the horizon is the body, not the farther away they are. The smaller it is, the obviously smaller the body will be, the face of everything. But while the farther away they are, the smaller they are, the closer they are of the observer, which is one that is the drawer. Are they going to be bigger? Do you realize? Here we're seeing it in sketch. In sketch apart. This will help you practice a lot, and to let go of the hand. You see how, the farther away, how small they are, and the closer. Here is the example. The bigger ones are the line in the eyes. On the horizon line. That is the basic point of this exercise. If you are in a viewpoint, bird's eye view, as if you were flying. This changes, and if you are in a depression of the terrain, below the horizon line, also changes, but as long as you are standing on the normal floor will be the line of the horizon in the eyes of your drawing. Did you see it there at the end? We did the perspective, and now we are going to enter this second exercise of how to make human scales. More in sketch, more in architectural sketch. Here we are seeing from the foundation, even how we can do it, giving a little more shape. What the human scale serves us for in architectural sketching, in the sketch, in architectural drawing too. See the sizes, not the size of the building, the size from the park, the size of the tree. So that's why it always incorporates the human scale, because if you don't know, what is the size of the element, architectural or landscape element? I explained, so these are scales. Human scales that I propose you practice are very simple, this pure sketch. And what is most important is that, besides you're going to be letting go of the hand, this also helps a lot with this. They call the artistic blockage. You can grab a sheet and start to make movements of human figure of human scale. I explain in sketch, and you'll see how in the end you are going to have other ideas. Are you going to reset? What do I know? So come and practice your sketch, your human figure, your sketch, not your drawing. If you notice, I am using a regular Bic pen. Anything, nothing fine, nothing out of this world with anything can be drawn. Here we're going to enter another type of human scales, a bit more loaded, to let go of the hand. And well, that's what it's about. Today's exercise is very simple, but it is very important to know. Include the human scales and the figure in perspective. If you like the content of the video, like it, share it. Send it to whoever you think might benefit. Comment on what you think about this. This sketch technique of this exercise, and well, keep it so you have the information. I leave you with this exercise. Look. This last guy seems to be everything fluffed up and well. Let's see how the exercise ends. And should we practice signatures in the same? Why not invent your own signature? The kitten crosses there like that. This exercise turned out. I hope it helps you. It is very important to know how to incorporate the sizes and the perspectives of the human scale. A cordial greeting. Bye.